Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you how to beat this market, how to make money, and how to make gains when everybody's losing money and freaking out. In my last video, that was the subject, and basically telling you to learn to change your psychological thoughts and do the opposite of what the herd is doing. When you see people panicking, when you see the biggest dip, this is the opportunity for you to buy and increase your position, because we are aiming to fill our bags and create wealth for the long term, not tomorrow. We're not trying to make our money overnight. This is, if someone promises you you're going to make a lot of money overnight, believe it's a scam. But crypto is not a scam. This is real. And I'm trying to teach you guys and also helping you be disciplined and being that voice that sometimes you might not want to hear, but you need to hear. Okay. Yesterday, the market was all bloody red. And what did I tell you? I told you this is only temporary. This is the whales shaking out weak hands. I told you that I've been in this market for many years and I've seen this all the time. I even showed you guys how in the past Bitcoin in the bull run corrects 30% as it's going up. So that was completely normal. If you heard what I said and if you trust what I said, you will be in profit today if you bought yesterday's dip. And in this video too, I have a lot of important things to share with you guys. I'm going to teach you guys some tricks on how to know which coins are going to go up, and basically I can fish for you or I can teach you how to fish. And I'm going to be sharing some secrets that I use in this market to time things, and also to get an idea of where other people are focusing on. But before that, I want to play a couple of my clips from my video yesterday to show you guys how my predictions turned out. All right, Polkadot. Polkadot.
So dramatic.
Guys, if you don't buy Polkadot at this price, you will come back and you will write in my comment how much you regret it. You will regret it. You will regret it. You will regret it. I've been watching Polkadot for a while. I've been picking up all over here.
And this is Polkadot today. Bounce right back off. And if you had just bought this dip, that would have been an easy 40% gain. 40% gain from Polkadot. All right. So I'm just going to keep showing you guys some of these videos.
This is a buying opportunity. Looking at this chart, this trend line has been holding VeChain. So right now, think about it as you just got a 30% discount on VeChain. All right.
All right. Now let's take a look at VeChain, guys. Let's take a look at VeChain. Bouncing back. Look at this. Forming a double bottom here, and it's about to curve up and break out. Okay. Just keep that in mind. Let's go back on the video. Synthetics.
And the more I see the potential that the synthetics could be $100 a coin, I hate myself for not buying more around the $4 or $5.
I'm telling you guys to buy synthetics here. Let's look at synthetics, guys. Let's look at what synthetics has been up to. Boom. Look at this. If you had bought this dip, 45% gain on synthetics. Okay.
To buy some Aave under $100 again. I need you guys to understand, you want to buy when things are going down, not when they're going up.
All right, let's look at Aave. Let's look at Aave. Aave is pumped from that video, from that dip. Another 47% gain. Another 47% gain if you had bought Aave. If you had bought the dip on Aave. Let's keep going.
Partner with PayPal. I believe that PayPal will build their stablecoin on RSR.
RSR 34, I mean 3 cents. Let's see where RSR is today. RSR is breaking out. It was over here when I told you guys it's breaking out. It just broke out of this triangle. This is going to be an easy 40% gains again.
Right now, injective protocol here. We broke this trend line. There's possibility that we see more downtrend. Like I'm seeing on this RSI, things are being oversold. Things are being oversold. Maybe I'm gonna pick some more up at 350 here, because we haven't fully broken this line, as you can see. But if we do, the next resistance level that I'm looking for, which is not that bad, is here at 350. Okay, and if we
guys, you need to see what Injective did. This is insane. I thought we were gonna break down. We did just a little bit, but then they had some really good news come out that now they can trade Tesla on Injective, fully decentralized and Injective protocol, and one day had pumped 50%. Okay, I've been calling Injective protocol for a while to you guys. I've been telling you this is a project that you need to have in your bag. Like, you can go in my past videos. I've been calling.
Hey guys, welcome back.
I've been calling Injective protocol here. On all my other videos, I've been kind of like telling you guys Injective protocol, Injective protocol. Now look at this breakout. 50% in one day. Okay. Let me zoom out and show you how gorgeous this chart looks. Look at this. Take everything else, you can see this is Injective protocol, guys. This has only been out in November, and it's already performing this well. This is a serious project you need to take a look at and understand. Right now that the government is cracking down on basically exchanges, and not, especially in like UK, they're not letting exchanges trade derivative. But guess what? They can't shut down a decentralized exchange because there's no one to target, unlike centralized exchanges that they can find them and stuff. You can't shut down Injective protocol. It's already running, and Injective protocol is going to allow you to buy derivatives of real world stocks. Like you can see in my last video here, it's going to allow you to buy all the FANG stocks, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. You're going to be able to buy these using crypto on Injective protocol. So do not sleep on this. I see a lot of uptrend for this project, and if I am to go on CoinGecko, you can see we're still ranked number 149, and we're not even 100 guys. We're not even $100 million market cap. Okay. If you want to know what else does same thing as Injective protocol, it's synthetics. Okay. Sorry, SNX. And XNX has $2 billion market cap. So do the math. In order for us to reach SNX, that would be over 100x. So think about that. So with that said, you guys need to go check out my old videos, because I am sharing some very valuable stuff with you guys. I'm trying to help you guys make money. Band protocol. Here again, I'm calling it. I'm gonna go back. Where's my band protocol is already running. Okay, so hasn't done much, but 20% gains at least. We will see another 50% gain, because band as well has broken out. We're seeing all these coins that I'm talking about breaking out. So this is something to keep in mind. Go watch my old videos and check out the coins that I'm sharing. And if you appreciate this, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys.
Now, since we got all this out of the way, let's look at the current price of Bitcoin. And I have some very important things to share with you guys, because the dump is over, and Bitcoin now is about to continue its pump. So here you can see Bitcoin just broke out of the downtrend, and we're crossing this moving average as well. Very bullish, very bullish, because if guys, if we break over this $4,000, I mean $40,000 Bitcoin again, what we're gonna see is a $50,000 to $60,000 Bitcoin. Okay, and I called it already. I've been telling my friends that, guys, like before the end of this month, we could see a $50,000 to $60,000 Bitcoin. And some people may laugh, but they just don't understand what I understand. And I want you guys to be future proof and prepare. So it's not about what you believe or what you don't believe. It's about what you're prepared for. Are you prepared to not get in before Bitcoin hits $100,000, or are you prepared to get in now and reap the profits and benefits of such a pump? You know, and what I'm seeing here is, if I go on the 30-minute, you can see we have the long here on the EMA ribbon that is signaling that we're about to go up. And I want to switch over to this Bitcoin chart, same Bitcoin chart, but just different technical TA stuff added to this. You can see Bitcoin was oversold here, as I told you, on the RSI, and we are curving back up. And from my last video, what I told you guys, until happens, I remain a little bearish, is look at this beautiful cross on the MACD. Okay, when the blue line crosses the orange line, guys, this is bull. Bitcoin's about to pump. So if you had sold out of your position, I do suggest that you reconsider and get in, because we're about to have another run. And like I said, do you see this here? You see this here? This is literally this repeating the same thing. So after this dump that we went back to like the $30,000 here, Bitcoin pumped to 40,000. So I expect the same thing. I can see us going to 50,000 ASAP. Ethereum right now is following Bitcoin. Okay, and you need to understand why. Just because Bitcoin is the store of value, and a lot of people don't even really understand Ethereum. When the world really understands what Ethereum can do, and when the world finally realizes the potential of Ethereum, Ethereum will outpace Bitcoin. If you don't have a lot of money to buy Bitcoin, I recommend that you focus on Ethereum, which I find to be still cheap at $1,100, because Ethereum will probably, before the end of this year, reach $20,000 per coin. So that would be a 20x for you. I am trying to help you guys. I hope that you guys are really appreciating this, and just click the like button, subscribe to the channel, help my channel grow. YouTube tries to censor crypto content, but I'm trying to get it out to you guys, and I want everybody to profit from what is happening in the market right now. So this video is short. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. What should be your plan now? What should you do in this moment? If you had been sold out of your positions, what should you do? Well, you should go look at these projects that haven't fully recovered from the dump yet and pick some up. That's what I would do. Like, I had stop losses hit, some sold, but I already bought them back at cheaper prices. So this is what I recommend for you guys to do as well. And so now I want to share with you guys a couple things that I use to help me get an idea of what's happening in the market. So first thing you guys need to know is you need to go on Google, or you can type this website in. This is called the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. This tells you people's emotion in the market. And as you can see, we were last month at 95, and last week we're also at 95. And after yesterday's dump, this people started fearing in the market again, which is good. I'm glad this corrected, because we were at a 95 level for way too long, and which is why a correction was needed. So sometimes, guys, just by looking at this, hey, sometimes by just by looking at this, you guys can understand when we are too greedy, the price could correct very violently, and when we're too fearful, um, you can expect that it's gonna bounce back. Okay, but I'm happy that we're back to a 78. That means now we have more room to run. Another thing I need to add to your radar is this website called Lunar Crush. Okay, Lunar Crush, it listens to what social media is saying. So it listens to how many times people are mentioning projects. So I want you to go on this website and see that what the coins, the galaxy scores that they're giving them, the altcoin ranks. You can see anything from how, if you go on the project like Polkadot that I've been telling you, because this has some very strong fundamentals. And this is free, guys. This is free. You can definitely go on there, and once you click on it, it gives you how many times this project is being mentioned, what the volume of it being mentioned is. So what I want you to understand with this is, the more a project is being mentioned, the more likely people are hearing about it, and the more likely it will go up in value. And if you appreciate this video, please click the like button. Once again, subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are staying healthy, and most importantly of all, future proof.